Hello, in this guide I'm gonna show you how to change the ambient occlusion quality in Dying Light the Beast, so enjoy watching! At first, as always, we have to open the settings. To do it, press the O button on your keyboard or click here on Options. Now get into the Video tab and press F or move to the Advanced Video Settings manually. Now scroll down in these settings to find the ambient occlusion quality. This is here. We have only a few options here. We can choose none, low, medium or high. Depends of your preferences. It simulates the ambient light occlusion, which greatly increase the quality of a scene. So this is good to have it as the maximum amount, but of course if you have a worse PC, then you can set it to a low amount. Depends of your preferences and how good is your PC. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!